Hello everyone, are you ready? Let's start the show. Wow, today is another great value day. Come with us on a journey to the 100 years into the future. Beyond the world of Superman. Episode 8.3 Rainbow invites global readers to obtain answers to infinite treasures. To all parents around the world, please attach the highest importance to the first golden 1,000 days after a child's life comes into being, in the future 23rd century and beyond. With the aid of powerful technologies, children at the optimal age of 3 inclusive and 3 years old and under will be able to absorb and understand the relevant knowledge in the Rainbow Prophecy book, and under the technological empowerment of future human civilization and the expansion of the veil of cognition and its boundaries. Future individuals at age 3 inclusive and 3 years old and under will possess a super capacity to absorb knowledge and wisdom. Adults possess more opportunities and capacities for realization and so forth, to read and understand the knowledge and wisdom in the Rainbow Prophecy series. Let the starting point of children's talents and potential be extremely high. At present, the world has not yet, in a comprehensive and all-dimensional way, popularized how to develop children's talents and potential. Yet the abilities in absorption and other related capacities that children around the world are currently able to demonstrate have already become very evident, with children at age 3 being able to recognize more than 1,000 characters and engage in normal conversational communication with their parents. Children at age 4 being able to read classical texts and know history. Children at age 5 being able to read books by themselves and tell stories on their own. Children at age 6 being able to memorize a dictionary, and so on. These phenomena have already been occurring worldwide, and these capabilities are only the tip of the iceberg of children's total talents and potential. The synaptic density of neurons in children's brains in the first 3 years after birth. The neuronal connections synapses in children's brains undergo a burst period. The synaptic density in the brain of a 3-year-old child is approximately twice that of an adult, which means that the brain of a 3-year-old child is in a state of overclocked connectivity, providing the child with an incomparable hardware foundation for learning. Quickly search the entire internet, Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century, for this mysterious book of hope. After reading it, you'll know all the answers to the future. Please see the next episode. Episode 8.4 Rainbow invites global readers to obtain answers to infinite treasures. For more shocking and exciting content. Oh, this episode has ended.